Hi guys, it's me, and today we're looking at something that sounds straight out of the future but is actually sitting right here on a desk. This is the MSI EdgeXpert AI Supercomputer desktop, and yeah, that name is doing a lot, but honestly it kind of deserves it. So first impressions, this is not your typical gaming PC or office desktop. This is built for serious AI workloads, edge computing, and high-performance tasks that usually live in data centers. The idea here is bringing that power locally, right to your desk, and that changes a lot about how you can work with AI. Let's talk about what's inside because that's where things get interesting. At the heart of this system is an ARM-based CPU paired with NVIDIA's GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture. That combination alone tells you this machine is optimized for AI acceleration, machine learning models, and heavy parallel workloads. This isn't just about raw power, it's about efficient power targeted at the future of computing. Then you've got 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5 unified memory. That's huge. And because it's unified, the CPU and GPU share the same memory pool, which means faster data access, less bottleneck, and smoother performance when running large models or datasets. If you're into AI development, data science, or even high-end content creation with AI tools, this is the kind of spec that makes a real difference. Storage is also next level. A 4TB NVMe Gen5 SSD means insanely fast read and write speeds. We're talking about near-instant file access, super quick dataset loading, and basically no waiting around when dealing with large files. For creators, developers, or anyone handling massive data, that's a game changer. Connectivity is future-proof too. Wi-Fi 7 support means faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and better performance in crowded networks. Add Bluetooth 5.3 and you've got solid, modern connectivity across the board. Now let's talk about software because hardware is only half the story. This system runs NVIDIA DGX OS, which is specifically designed for AI workflows. It's optimized for deep learning frameworks, GPU acceleration, and advanced computing tasks. So instead of setting everything up from scratch, you're getting a platform that's ready to go for serious AI work right out of the box. And that's really the key point here. This isn't a casual desktop. This is for people who are building models, training AI, running simulations, or working with edge deployments where latency and local processing matter. Think developers, researchers, startups, and even advanced creators who want to push into AI-powered tools without relying entirely on cloud services. Design-wise, it keeps that clean MSI aesthetic. It's compact for what it is, which is kind of impressive considering the power inside. It's meant to sit on a desk, not in a server rack, and that accessibility is part of the appeal. Now of course, this kind of machine isn't for everyone. If you're just browsing, gaming casually, or doing basic editing, this is way overkill. But if you know exactly why you need this level of performance, then this becomes a very powerful tool. The biggest advantage here is local AI computing. No dependency on cloud, no ongoing subscription costs for compute, and full control over your data. That's a big deal, especially as AI becomes more integrated into everything. So overall, the MSI EdgeXpert AI Supercomputer desktop is one of those devices that feels ahead of its time but also very necessary for where things are going. It's powerful, specialized, and built for a very specific type of user who wants to work at the cutting edge of AI. If you're interested in picking this up, check out the link in the description and see the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.